Yes, by the beach. Gusto nyo mag-river cruise, ayan yung rates. Eto guys, yung kapag gusto nyo ng private, good siya for group. Punta tayo ngayon ng Bolinao. Quick beach trip kasi okay din naman doon. Kaya na nampa ako doon. Ayan, hindi dyan sa mga chocolate. Ayan. Good morning. Baksilog for breakfast. Yes, it's na. Bebe. Yes.
This is fun. It's the best day ever. These foods are my breakfast.
Order na ako ng kape, ice, caramel macchiato, kay Daddy Americano na hot.
A few moments later.
Oh, yun ito na. Ano ba ito na yung papasok? Wow.
Is this the beach?
Wow. No, we're going to the fish, to the river. Songayan Grill. Punta tayo guys sa Songayan Grill, yung cleanest river dito.
Are you in the beach?
Oo. Tapos, kakain tayo doon by the river. Ayun. See you there.
Dito pala, no?
Malayo pa pala guys. Sabihin mo, ang init! Yeah, yeah.
Init! Because the down place is so hot and the up place is so cold.
Eh, si Eyas. Ngayon lang namin binihisan yung mga bata. Sun, finally, guys. Dito na tayo sa Bolinao, Songayan Grill. Tapos may river doon, na cleanest river. Tapos doon na tayo kakain. Nasa sure kung sasakay pa kami kasi baka tumalon yung mga bata. Dalawa lang kami bantay. Yeah. Ang cute. I take a picture there.
Waldani po.
Thank you po. Ito gusto ko pa sa lubong bukas. Uy, saan punta mo, Elias? Walk lang.
Paano pa?
Ayun, yeah. Pag gusto nyo mag-river cruise, ayan yung rates. Oo. Pero kami, since 4 lang kami, ito na lang tayo. Pwede kayo mag-order ng mga single order. Pwede din yung bilao. Dito na tayo, Dad. Bilao.
Polis itong batang ito.
Sabi sa'yo, isipin mo kung mag-ano tayo, magbabantay ka. Magbabantay ka dun sa Bukana. Hindi siya tatalon sa river. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Makagalaw dito kay Elias talaga.
Eh kasi di mo dinala yung
Stroller, di po. Wala kasi pagkain eh.
Ganda guys. Wow! So nice! Yes!
Happy birthday daw sabi niya, Elias.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Ito guys, yung kapag gusto niya ng private, good siya for group.
A few moments later.
Mommy, I help the boy.
Mix mix it because it's hard to mix. O, diba? O, yun.
Yes. That's good.
Pati na natin yung kanin.
I'm fruits.
O, alon. Yes. Wow, sad. Yan ang gusto ni Ella. Magbuhangin. Oo nga. Yaya, dito tayo banda. Yes. Ilaria, wait for Daddy. Hala, saan ko?
Yang!
A few moments later.
Ayos, ay kulit man na siya.
Ano?
It's rolling because he got blow.
Oo.
And let's go back to it's at the month.
Ay, naku, inaano niya yung ano.
Stop. Let's go back.
Hop, hop, hop. Like a kangaroo.
Okay, the calendar. April, May, July,
June.
June, and also July
Uh-huh.
is 2nd July. August, December, October, November. We are here,
Yeah, we're already November.
and December.
Wow, that's the months of the year.
Yeah.
The next morning.
Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. May kasama pa ng water kettle. Tapos may pa-free tissue sila. Tapos meron pala silang pa-free toiletries. May pa-toothbrush na pala sila. Tapos may pa-soap and pa-hair comb. Bet, salamat ni Almar. Eh, pala yung itsura ng room. Malaki to, spacious. Ayan. Tapos two double bed. So, kasya dito for adults eh. Ayan. Tapos yung TV hindi pa nagpa-function. Oo, siguro kung may spam na.
Loko.
May bigay pala sila na free Coco Crunch kasama dun. Tapos, ito bigay ng friend namin. May dala kaming beef coco. And choco sa mga choco niya yun.
Look there far away or near.
The sea is so so clear and so calm. No waves na, di ba? Nakita ko.
But I saw that inside the house.
Bango. Ayan na to. Para pa magta-travel. Gusto ko rin, ayoko rin kasi ng ano eh. Saya. Ito yung kanilang free breakfast for you. Pero may pa free kiddie breakfast si Madam kay Layayang kasi napanood na kayo. Masarap yung langganisa. Langganisa kay Dada. Tapos, sininit lang namin pansit. In-order namin to kahapon. Kagabi, hindi ko na napakita. So, may dala lang hotdog. Ayan. Tapos, may dalang kape and breakfast by the beach. Eh, siya lang.
I'll go to the beach. I'll get the water.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Today we're in the beach. Today we're gonna scuba dive. Subscribe and like this video. You'll see my swimming beauty. Let's watch it.
Magbabaw na rito. Flooring, what's that? It's a seagrass. Where are you?
Here.
Where are you? Look in the
It's not so deep.
Deep yata dyan.
Yeah, this one's the back hole.
You find the back hole?
Yeah.
The middle of the sea. Oh. That's a black hole? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
It's right.
It's dangerous in the waves. Don't go there. Come on, go there in the waves.
Let's go there. Down.
Let's
So
go down.
the first one.
One more time, I will video you. Come on. How you doing? Wow, very good. Where did you learn that?
It's from the TV because I watched that.
Watch that.
Yeah. Hi, Pogi. Honeydew. Say hi, Dara.
May ganitong system.
Thank you po. Yes. Yes. Get one. Like this. Oh. It's Ella's favorite.
Hi. Ay, wow!
Whee!
Whee! Rocks. Where's the rock? Yeah. Big rock.
Rocks. Rocks.
Ay, sus.
Rocks.
Ay, sus.
Say,
Bye.
Enjoy here.
hey, rocks.
Rocks. Big rocks.
Sink or float?
Sink or float? Up, down, up, down.
Sink.
Wow. It's Elias boy.
Bye.
Enjoy?
Uy, turtle. Let's put water. Turtle. Tapos mo na.
Whee! Whee! Egg. Turtle! Ooh, the turtle is floating! Turtle! Ay, floating yung turtle, oh! Ay, nawala na yung turtle. Ando, no?
Where's the turtle? Pwede mo yung turtle, ate.
Pinalagyan lang buhang.
Hindi na ng tubig.
Turtle floating in the water. Floating in the water. Floating.
Dito lang buhangan dito,
in the
guys.
water.
Cat is floating. Whee!
Whee! break the egg.
The turtle. Look, 1, 2, 3. Turtle. Look kaya nga. Psst.
Ay, tingnan mo yung bakit. Andun na, oh. Where's the bucket, Ilaria? There na. No. Oh, yakat ko na rin yun. Kain dito.
Oo.
Puta.
Bakit? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the vlog.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.